I remember the first time I saw you, Miguela. You look nice. I was stuck with your simple, beautiful look, and little did I know that moment would change my life forever.
By these tiny shoes, hold the promise of the greatest joy we are about to take together. They're small, but they carry all the love, joy, and dreams we have for our little one. Thank you for being my partner in this beautiful adventure of creating a family. Gagawa pa lang. Kumalma ka lang. Ay, baka akala nila mayroon na. Totoo na to?
Totoo na lang.
Wow! Alam na alam talaga yung pangangailangan ko. Charot.
Ito sa pinakamatindi, pinaka sa lahat, Alex. We shared laughter, tears, dreams, and countless adventures. From the halls of high school to the world beyond, our band has only grown stronger. You've been my constant, my confidant, and my greatest love.
Thank you kasi alam na alam mo kung paano ako hulihin. Hindi man tayo laging nagkakasundo, pero I know deep in my heart na lahat ng pinagdaanan natin is part of our relationship para mas sumibay tayo, mas gumaan tayo. Thank you sa buhay mo, Lord. Habang buhay kong ipagpapasalamat yun.
Dapat ay lagi kayo nagdadasal, lagi kayo nagsisimba. Bakit? Kasi ang Diyos ang magpapala sa inyo. Darating yung panahon, makakaranas kayo ng kagipitan o pagsubok. Walang higit una sa lahat na makakatulong sa inyo, kundi ang Diyos. Natanggap ba si Micaela na narito ngayon na maging tunay mong asawa alinsunod sa pinag-uutos sa Santa Iglesia at ina natin?
Opo, Father.
Ibinibigay ba sa kanya yung sarili bilang esposo niya?
Opo, Father. Si Micaela po yung aking first girlfriend din. At nangako po ko sa kanya, after 10 years, magpapakasal kami. Kaya ngayong nakasampung taon na kami, medyo maraming naging problema, bali pagsubok, pero nag-yes na rin po siya. Oh, grabe naman. Bilis. The moment you walk into my life, I realize that it's you or no one. I love you, baby. Thank you for shoes ulit. Thank you. Alam mo yung favorite ko.
Life will never be perfect, but with you by my side, I know that we can overcome any challenges because I have you. You are my strength, my anchor, and everything that I prayed for.
Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Sa inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa, there is no such thing as perfect marriage. Yung perfect marriage, sa fairy tales lang yon. Ang katotohanan, there will be times magkakaroon kayo ng problema. There will be times magkakaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, ng tampuhan. Dahil dyan, sometimes nakakaroon ng conflict. Pero ang mahalaga, try to ask for forgiveness and try to forgive. Binibigay ba sa kanya yung sarili bilang esposa niya?
Opo, Father.
Puwapayag ka ba na siya'y maging esposo mo?
Opo, Father.
Balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at pag napaligiran ng
Today, as I stand before you, I vow to cherish you always, to be your partner, your protector, and your biggest supporter. I promise to listen patiently, to love unconditionally, and to always be there to catch you when you fall.
palagi. Babalik pa rin tangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli palagi babalik.
I vow to love you with all my heart. Mahal kita, Lander.
I pledge to make you laugh, to comfort you in sorrow, and to celebrate every joy, big or small. I strive to be the best version of myself for you, to build a life filled with love, respect, and unwavering commitment. Let's write the next chapter of our story together. B, I love you more than you love me.